Hello guys, good afternoon and welcome back. Alright, so in today's video, we are trying to learn the components of a senator outfit. Now, the reason I am making this video is to give us an in-depth knowledge on the basic things we need to know about a normal senator outfit before we get to the stage of cutting or drafting. So now, the first component we see here for the top, we see the front panel, the back panel, the sleeves, the back facing, the front facing, the pockets, the flap, the bias slash piping. Now let me use this top to illustrate to you what these things mean. So here I have the front body is called the front panel, right? Now why the back body is called the back panel? Now here is called the sleeve. It can be short sleeve, three-quarter or long sleeve, right? So if you have long sleeve, you will have the cuffs and the placket. Here it's called the cuff and here it's called the placket. Now the next you are seeing is the back facing. This is called back facing. This joining here is called the back facing, right? Then after that, the next you are seeing is the pockets. So the pockets is here, the pockets here, right? And then the flap. This one is called the flap, right? It's called the flap. Now the pockets can be breast pockets or the side pockets. Now you have the bias or piping. That stuff that will go around the neck is called the bias or piping. So this is also another outfit I have here. So you can see the front body, the back body, the sleeve in a three-quarter form, right? The flap, the pockets, and the piping as well. So as you can notice, we have the same components for each senator, almost the same components, right? But then different styles. So that goes to show that no matter the style you are cutting, you are going to cut almost all of these. So for you to know how to sew very well, you need to know the components so that before we start cutting, you will not be left alone in the components names and get used to them. Also, we have for the trouser, the front panels, the back panels, the band, the loops, the zip fly, the pocket facing, the welt pockets, plackets, and the pocketings. So these components, you will see them majorly when we start cutting, but I deem it fit to let you know that these are the components we are going to cut, and also let you know that these components are necessary, before you can think of cutting a normal outfit. So if you do have a question to ask, please kindly comment in the comment section. If you have a suggestion, if you have whatever be your confusion about this video, please kindly drop your questions. I will go to the comment section to check your comments. If there's any already, my videos are self-explanatory. So I will receive more questions, but then in case of if you have any, drop, and don't forget to like and share and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks guys for watching. See you in my next video.